Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a table in your Notion app. So let's get right into the video. What you have to do first is open your Notion app. Once you're on your Notion app, for instance, I'll create a new page to show you, and I will name it as demo and make it an empty page. Okay, once that's done, what you have to do is type slash and then you can type table, and you can see this option basic block table, and you have table view as well. I will show you both of those. So I will just add this table at first. As you can see, I have this small table. I can just add to the left, add to the right, and do this to add more columns and rows. I can add more rows as well, columns as well. So as you can see, right, like that. I will just add some text as well, and you can change the color of this text as well. As you can see right here, add the background color and then add colors and everything. You can just change the color of the text as well and add more text right here. That's the first table. I will show you another table also. So you have to do the same thing, table, and now you can see this database table view option. You can click on that, and now you can add a table. Let me just create new database, and then you can see right here I can just add some column name, maybe just videos or maybe skills or something like that, on how you want to use it for your productivity or something like that. Okay, let me just change this logo as well to something like that. Okay, and I can add more columns and rows as well here. As you can see, I can add date columns and anything. Okay, let me just type in how to create a table in Notion, and I can add a checkbox as well, in order to keep the record of which videos are done, which videos are not as well. You can use this depending on your needs. If you want to track your habits, or maybe just track your streak or something like that, you can do the same for this as well, or you can do this for your work and productivity as well. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.